أنا نجس أصلا المجرد تجي بالحول يوصلون النبض.
mean, then my bird on we're gonna get the bird on my arm and tell you to make like a tree, bring it up to the side, make a fist, put it right here on your wrist. It's on your wrist, you turn, look, talk, lay, don't touch. I'm bad that. Or dimensionally, you see most likely they find your soul. I did of those notes. You notice that we have back part in the purr. Hers is one partner and sure. So just left straight at you. Well, you just want me to make the bird and you can, I'll be open. Yeah, and then questions. So we're gonna work right here in this corner. So we'll enter for here and then we're here to do it. I hear she were wait. Must become lead because you sure.
Hey, girl. Now you're gonna friends the channel out of here with Darren's what thing you could win the last and well, that's nice to them. You know, it's oh, could I news a lot that's like what did you so I asked great school. Oh, yes, so hounds behind the usual
Hello, and go to crossing a dog to the Jersey Joe. Soon dog across weighs about 2 pounds. Line wide. Would now be a bad time to tell you that second time.
Keep a little harsher, it's gonna itch it out.
Wait for the illness in the sun. It's hot. I don't take a step. Just wait, just.
Oh, and you got so maybe like the first breakfast in
How old are you? About 14?
Tree, what was he?
Was pretty sweet. There's an Henry girl, sees a breed. Dominant females in the park. I can't happen with the rest from the big shows. Going to last day there to be good. I am acting new.
I think it's rare to last year sweet dog exist.
You like it? You have a peanut? Oh, I've done wrong. Now the bread. Stuffed ham.